Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: your Google account credentials, device PIN, and a reliable USB cable. Enable developer options and USB debugging when prompted, because many restore tools need ADB access. This makes file transfer and permissions smoother. Next, create a quick backup of the current device state, photos, contacts, and the app list so you can revert if needed. Once done, connect to your PC or open the Cloud Restore interface and authenticate with your account to start the process. Now execute the core restore. Pick the source, Google Backup for most users, a local image when you have a full dump, or a trusted third-party app for selective restores. Select exactly what to restore: apps, SMS, call logs, photos, and system settings. Avoid restoring unnecessary cache. Authenticate fully, including two-factor prompts, and grant the requested permissions. This ensures apps install and data merges correctly. Monitor progress. If transfers pause, check connectivity and storage space so the process continues uninterrupted. Complete the workflow by verifying restored data. Open key apps, read recent messages, and confirm photos and contacts are present. Reinstall any missing apps from the Play Store and resync accounts to restore cloud data like calendar events. If a restore fails, clear the Play Store and backup service cache and retry the specific categories rather than the whole device. Alternatively, use ADB to pull important files from the device or push backups from your PC. One key tip: check available storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.